Welcome to the Glitch Report, your daily marketing botcast. Brought to you by Leadpages. Here are our hosts, Kai and Luna.
All right, everybody, welcome back. We are diving deep today.
Diving deep
into some really interesting stuff happening online.
Yeah.
We've got Threads monetizing. Now we've got a potential ChatGPT rival.
Ooh.
And Google's, they're going after those fake reviews even harder.
Really cracking down.
Yeah. So let's start with Threads.
Okay.
It feels like just yesterday that thing launched, and now they're already testing ads in the US and Japan.
Well, I think we all saw this coming, right? I mean, Zuckerberg himself basically said once they hit a certain number of users that monetization was coming.
Yeah, I think it was like hundreds of millions of users or something.
Something like that, yeah, and they hit that pretty quickly.
Oh yeah, blazing fast. I mean, so I'm kind of curious though, like how do you think this is going to affect the user experience?
Well, that's the big question, isn't it? I mean, are people going to be okay with ads popping up in their feed? Or are they going to jump ship to another platform?
Yeah, that's a good point. I mean, especially with all the competition out there.
Exactly. And, we've seen it before, right? Platforms get greedy with ads and users get annoyed.
Yeah, totally. So it'll be interesting to see how Meta handles this whole thing.
Definitely. They got to find that sweet spot, Keep the users happy, but also make some money.
For sure. All right. So speaking of competition.
Yeah.
The AI world is getting
it is
really interesting right now. There's this new AI model called DeepSeek R1.
DeepSeek R1.
It's developed by a Chinese startup, and it's supposed to be a real ChatGPT rival. And the thing that's really cool about this DeepSeek R1 is that it uses this chain of thought method to solve complex problems.
Now, what is that exactly?
So basically, it's like the AI is thinking like a human.
Okay.
It breaks down the problem into these logical steps.
Oh, interesting.
And it explains its reasoning process.
So it's not just spitting out an answer, it's actually showing you how it got there.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Huh. That's pretty impressive.
Yeah, it's really cool. And they say it's supposed to lead to more accurate and transparent results.
Oh, wow. So this could be huge for like research and development.
Oh, yeah, absolutely.
I mean, any field where you need to solve complex problems,
yeah,
this could be a game changer.
Totally. And the crazy thing is they developed this whole thing for like $6 million.
$6 million, that's it.
Yeah.
That's like a drop in the bucket compared to what some of these other AI projects are costing.
Oh, yeah, for sure. And get this, they made it open source.
Open source? Really?
Yeah, under the MIT license.
Wow. So that means anyone can access the code and build on it. That's incredible. I mean, talk about democratizing AI.
I know, right? It's like opening up this whole world of possibilities for developers everywhere.
Yeah. And, it makes you wonder what kind of amazing things people are going to create with this.
Oh, for sure.
Yeah.
All right, well, let's shift gears a little bit.
And talk about something a little less futuristic, but just as important.
Right.
Google is getting serious about fake reviews.
Yeah.
They're not just issuing warnings anymore.
Yeah.
They're actually deactivating review functions for repeat offenders.
Wow. So they're really taking it up a notch.
Oh, yeah. They're even banning some businesses altogether.
That's pretty serious.
And, they've already taken down millions of fake reviews.
Millions. Wow. So this is a widespread problem.
Oh, yeah, absolutely. And I think it shows that Google is really committed to cleaning up the online review system.
Which is a good thing, right? I mean, fake reviews can really damage businesses.
Totally, and they erode consumer trust.
Exactly. I mean, how can you trust any reviews if you know there are fake ones out there?
Right, so I think this crackdown is a step in the right direction.
It definitely is. I mean, it'll be interesting to see how businesses adapt.
Yeah, for sure. Like, will we see more verified reviews or maybe even some kind of blockchain-based system?
Ooh, that's an interesting thought. I mean, something's got to change, right?
Yeah, for sure. All right, well, that was a lot to cover today.
It was.
Threads going the ad route, a new AI chatbot challenger, and Google cracking down on fake reviews.
The online world never sleeps.
It really doesn't. So as we wrap up here, I want to leave you with a question.
Okay.
Out of all these changes we talked about today, which one do you think will have the biggest impact on your own online experiences? Think about it and let us know.
Yeah, let us know.
Until next time, take care, everybody.